welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ninja star. And ninja stars are pretty cool. You could throw them, they're really accurate. Unlike that transforming ninja star that you normally see, this one is a lot more accurate. So what you're going to need is either a square piece of paper like this one, or you're going to need two pieces of paper that it's a 2:1 ratio, so that means it's like half of one of these, because what we're really going to be doing with this one is we're going to be cutting it in half. So once you have a square piece of paper, if you don't, just don't pay attention for a bit. So you're going to fold this in half, right? And then you're going to look like this. And then you grab the paper kind of like this, and you could just fold it like that, and then you'd get this, right? My folds are a bit off. Try to make it as accurate as possible. I just messed up here, but now that you have it, folding it for a while, you're gonna want to take it kind of like this, and you're gonna want to add a little line, rip it a little bit along the line, just a little bit. And then this is a lot harder part. You have to hold it like this, and you have to kind of like slowly spread it apart. And this is normally more accurate than scissors, because with scissors you like cut one way and then cut another. That's why I don't like using scissors. But if you don't, oh god, I messed up. If you mess up, and just going to the other side, because I wasn't really paying attention. But you have keep cutting it. Try to spread them apart pretty evenly. So I made this cut. Ended up with this. Isn't the best. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rip this off. So now that I ripped them off, now we have two pieces of paper, pretty badly cut, because this is just how it works. And after you have this, you're going to want to grab them, and you're going to want to fold this in half. This part is important. This part means you have accuracy. Don't cut it again, because then it's just going to go flying everywhere. It's not going to go that far. You're going to want to do this with two. So if you want both sides to be this color, then fold them both so that this could be on the outside. If you want like one white and one the other, depending on what kind of paper you have, you fold it the other way. Basically, you want to make sure it shows the side that you want the ninja star to be like. In this case, I'm just going to do this. I want both sides to be like this, because I think it's going to be nicer than if I were to use gold. So now that you have two half-cup pieces of paper and kind of folded, you're going to want to fold only one, up for one corner, and then for the other one, you're going to want to fold this one down. If you don't, then you're going to have a bit of trouble with the other things. And now you fold it the opposite way on the other side. So if it was down first, the second one's up. If it was up first, then the second one's going to be down. Okay, now this part is kind of hard. I'm going to set one aside. We'll only need one for now. So you see this, you have this little triangle here. So what you're going to want to do is fold this up. It's going to be a bit hard, I know. You want to make it so that this side could line up with this fold we made here. So I'm kind of getting it. Okay, so I got this one fold. I'm going to flip it over, And do the same thing here, just that on this side. Fold it down so that this line could meet our fold. If mine's pretty badly cut, you're going to have this little extra thing on the top. That's going to be fine. That's what it looks like when you mess up a bit. But now you're just going to finish up the fold, right? And if you flip it over, you get this. This looks like nothing. But if you combine it with another one, which we're going to make in a bit here, then it's going to be good. Let me set this completely aside. And I'll be back when I get this one all finished. So we're back, and we have these two pieces. So what you're going to do is find the one where it has the smallest little crack here. See, this one has like a small crack. So you're going to find the one that has the smallest one. So this one doesn't really have a crack, so it's obviously going to be that one. So that one stays face up. You're going to turn the other one over. Okay? And you're going to put the other one on top. Kind of making a plus. So then, one, you're going to, you remember these little corners? You're going to fold them in. And it ends up going here. Now it's starting to look a bit more like a ninja star, but we still have to do the other side. You do that for both corners. Since this one doesn't really have one, this is a lot harder. It doesn't have a crack. So then you're going to flip it over. So now that you did that step, now this is the last step. All you're going to do is flip it over. Do the exact same thing you did on the other side. Just this has a bigger crack. This last step is a lot easier. And you want to do the easier one last, so it could be easier in total. And now, you could just enjoy your ninja star. So I'm going to throw it, and I'll see you all later. Bye!